This is Duke the ox. Let's help him plow the field. Tap on Duke so that he would plow the field. Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Duke is tired. Drag the bucket with water to him. He'll drink it and will continue plowing. Our field is plowed. That's all that's left to sow. Drag the seeds from the sack to the beds. We've grown our harvest. Now let's deliver it to market. Drag the sacks onto the wagon. Keep it up. Our Duke is on the way. You are doing really great. That's all. Duke has worked very hard and got tired. Let's make him a comfortable bed. Drag the hay from the cart to the stable. That's all. Baby fish don't have enough space in the aquarium. Drag the fish from the aquarium to the pond to release them. Done! The fish swam a lot and got hungry. Let's feed them. Drag the food from the sack into the pond to feed the fish. The pond at the farm got dirty and the fish are not comfortable in it. Let's clean it up. First, we need to get all of the fish out of the pond. Drag the net onto the fish to move them to the aquarium. Now we need to pump the water out of the pond. Tap on the pedal of the pump to pump out the water. Now we need to remove all the trash from the bottom. Drag the trash into the trash bin. Well done. Let's fill our pond with fresh water. Tap on the pump to pump the water. Ready. stick hair. Let's wash Clover's udder. Drag the cloth along the udder to wash it. The goat is fed and ready to give milk. Tap on the udder to milk the goat. We need to put cream on the goat's udder to keep it from cracking. To apply cream, drag a cotton pad with it along the udder. Keep it up. Clover needs her hooves trimmed to walk comfortably. Drag the knife onto the hooves to trim them. Keep up the good work. Let's clean the goat's hair. Drag the brush along the goat to comb her. That's all. Meet our goats. Let's feed them. Drag the food they want from the basket. You're doing really great. You're doing really great. That's all. The goat is tired and wants to sleep. Let's clear a place for her. Drag the rake over the dirty head. Keep up the good work. Great! Now drag the rake over the dirty hay to get it away. Keep it up. Great! Now drag the clean hay onto the floor. That's all. Goats want to graze on green grass. Let's help them. Drag the goats to the green lawn. Great! Now tap on the green grass so that the goat could eat. We did it!